Let me show you how to connect YouTube Analytics to Claude using the InsightfulPipe MCP and generate a full channel performance report. First, go to InsightfulPipe connectors and choose YouTube Analytics from the available platforms. Set the permissions and click Connect to YouTube. Sign in with your Google account and select the account linked to your YouTube channel. Grant access to your YouTube data by clicking Continue. Select the YouTube channel you want to connect, then click Connect. The connection is saved. Now copy the InsightfulPipe MCP server URL from the guide page. This single URL gives Claude access to all your connected accounts instead of needing a separate MCP server for each platform. In Claude, go to Settings, then Connectors, and click Add Custom Connector. Paste the InsightfulPipe MCP URL, name it, and click Add. The InsightfulPipe connector is now added. Click Connect to authorize it. The connector is now connected to Claude. Now let's use it. Write a prompt asking Claude to pull YouTube channel performance data for the last 30 days. The prompt asks for video views, watch time, subscriber growth, impressions, and engagement metrics. It also asks to identify top performing videos and generate a structured report with recommendations. Claude connects to your YouTube channel through InsightfulPipe, loads the tools, runs all the queries, and starts building the report. Here is the 30-day channel overview. It shows over 14,000 total views, about 130 hours of watch time, close to 100 net new subscribers, and over 500 total engagements. The top 10 videos table ranks all videos by views, with the meta ads short leading at over 4,000 views. The traffic sources breakdown shows YouTube search driving nearly half of all traffic. The report highlights key audience growth insights and includes 6 actionable recommendations, from doubling down on shorts to strengthening subscription calls to action. That's YouTube Analytics connected to Claude using InsightfulPipe. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit InsightfulPipe.com today.